In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Afterpay messaging to your Shopify product pages. This helps let customers know they can pay in installments, which can boost sales and trust. Let's jump in. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Then go to the Shopify App Store and search for Afterpay messaging, or Afterpay. This app is designed to show payment options on your product pages. Install the Afterpay messaging app and follow the setup instructions. You can customize how and where the messaging appears, such as below the product price or near the Add to Cart button. If you prefer to add Afterpay messaging manually, you can edit your theme code. Go to Online Store, Themes, Actions, Edit Code. Find the product template file, usually called product.liquid or producttemplate.liquid. Add the Afterpay snippet or script provided by Afterpay's merchant resources where you want the messaging to appear. Save your changes. Once set up, customers will see Afterpay's Pay in 4 interest-free payments message directly on the product pages. And that's how you add Afterpay to your Shopify product pages. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Thanks for watching.